Manual LinkedIn outreach is slow, inconsistent, and time-consuming. This video walks you through our fully automated LinkedIn lead generation system, from identifying your niche to booking calls on autopilot using AI. Let's dive into the full process, step by step. We kick off the LinkedIn outreach campaign by setting clear goals and defining its direction. Next, we define the ideal prospect profile by specifying target industry, job title, and location to ensure the campaign reaches the right audience. Then, use LinkedIn search to find those ideal prospects and export their profile URLs or contact data for outreach. We compile all the collected profile data into a central prospect sheet, keeping our lead list organized and accessible. Finally, we clean and enrich the list by verifying email addresses, updating missing details, and removing duplicates to improve lead quality. The automation begins by visiting each target profile to softly warm up the connection. It then sends a blank connection request no message as a low-friction way to connect. If the connection is accepted, we proceed to the messaging sequence. If not, that lead is exited from the campaign. Next, the system checks if the prospect replied. Similarly, if there is no response after all messages, that lead is exited from the campaign as well. The AI generates a draft reply based on the prospect's message, and you can review and edit this draft before sending. After you approve the AI's draft, the final reply is automatically sent to the prospect. The system then checks if the prospect has shown interest. If yes, it proceeds to schedule a meeting. If not, the lead enters the nurture follow-up loop. Leads that didn't convert immediately are placed into a nurture loop for periodic follow-up messaging. When the lead shows interest, the system sends your Calendly link, allowing them to book a call, directly moving the conversation from LinkedIn to your sales pipeline. Meanwhile, the system automatically updates your CRM and KPI tracking sheet with all campaign activity and results. At the end of the campaign, everything is finalized. Remaining leads can be moved into a longer-term nurture campaign. This is how we turn cold LinkedIn profiles into booked meetings, without lifting a finger. Whether you want more sales calls, partnerships, or demos, this automation handles it all. Ready to scale your outreach? DM me now to get started.